Neha Nagpal and welcome back to your favorite show, This Locality, That Project. In this new episode, I will review Hadapsar, which is situated in eastern part of Pune city. It was a small village till 1990 surrounded by farms and now developed into a major industrial and IT area of Pune. It is now one of the most densely populated area of Pune district and one of the most popular destination of the city. इस रिव्यू में हम बात करेंगे इस एरिया की कनेक्टिविटी की, किस तरीके का सोशल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर यहाँ पे अवेलेबल है, क्या क्या प्रॉपर्टी ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल हैं और क्या ये एरिया आपके रहने के लिए एक प्रेफर्ड डेस्टिनेशन है या नहीं। आइए देखते हैं। Hadapsar is part of Pune Municipal Corporation and is about 12 kilometers from the central point of Pune. It is also close to several IT hubs of the city. The area is strategically placed on Pune-Solapur highway, which is also known as Mumbai highway. The few main roads which are around this area are Pandhar Road, Mundwa-Kharari Road and Nagar Road, which helps this area to have a smooth and easy access to other parts of Pune city. MG Road, which is also one of the popular roads of Pune, is also not more than 6 to 7 kilometers from here. The Hadapsar railway station is within 4 kilometers and 15 minutes away. The Pune International Airport is located about 12 kilometers via Airport Road and is about 25 to 30 minutes away. Pune Metropolitan Regional Development Authority has proposed to extend Hinjewadi Shivaji Nagar Phase 3 Metro Corridor till Hadapsar. The construction of the 23.3 kilometer elevated line which connects Hinjewadi to Shivaji Nagar has started and is expected to be completed within 3 years. The Hadapsar link timeline is yet to be announced. हडपसर बस स्टैंड यहाँ पे पॉपुलर है, जहाँ से आपको पुणे की सारी लोकेलिटीज में जाने के लिए बसेस मिल जाएंगी. Auto rickshaws and cabs are easily available and are commonly opted for transportation. Apart from IT parks, the locality houses several markets and shops for daily needs. It offers the charm of a big city with its work center and also has ample of places to unwind at malls, gardens and shopping complexes. Fursungi IT Park is located in Hadapsar while the World Trade Center is about 8 km from the area. Shops, restaurants, bank and ATMs can be found within this area. Schools like the HDFC School and Wisdom World School are located within 5 km. Hospitals like Noble Hospital and Willow Poonawalla Memorial Hospital are situated within 5 to 7 km. You can find malls like the Seasons Mall and Amanora Mall within the radius of 3 km. हडपसर का अपना पुलिस स्टेशन है जो इस एरिया की सेफ्टी एंड सिक्योरिटी का ध्यान रखता है. There are over 50 developers present in the locality. Some of the prominent ones are Neknaware, Magarpatta, Marvel, Mantri, Vascon, VTP and Amanora. Hadapsar is comparatively cheaper than Magarpatta. Those who are working in Magarpatta city, which is about 2 kilometers away, find this area as an affordable option to stay in. As per Magic Bricks data, Magarpatta offers property at the average price of 8,300 per square feet, whereas properties in Hadapsar are available at the average price of 6,400 per square feet. You will majorly find multi-story apartments in this area. There are fewer options available of residential houses, independent floors and villas too. The supply of multi-story apartments stands at 96%. There is about 2.3% supply of villas here, while the supply of built-to-floor apartment and residential house stands at less than 1%. Under multi-story apartments, there are options of 1, 2 and 3 BHKs available in this area. Data shows that supply of 1 BHK is at 15.9%, for 2 BHK it's at 49.5% and while for 3 BHK it stands at 29.6%. 1 BHK is available in the sizes of 350 square feet to 850 square feet. The price starts from 20 lakh and goes up to 44 lakhs. While a 2 BHK is available in the sizes of 600 to 1400 square feet. The price starts from 40 lakh and goes up to 90 lakhs. And the size of 3 BHK starts from 1000 square feet and goes up to 2200 square feet. It is available in the price bracket of 70 lakh and goes up to 1.55 crore. If you're looking for a rented accommodation in this locality, you will find many options available. But for that, you need to shell out between 8,000 to 35,000 monthly. The most preferred property type for sale here is a 3 BHK option. While for rent, people here are preferring a smaller accommodation. Hence, 1 BHK is the most demanded property type in this locality. So, a quick wrap up on the locality. Good connectivity. Pune Solapur Road, Pandharpur Road, Nagar Road or Mundwa Kharari Road. This locality is well connected to all these main roads. Proximity to IT hubs. If you want to stay close to your office space, then this locality is one option you can consider. Various property options available. This locality offers many property options starting from 20 lakh to 1.5 crore and above that can fit your budget. And lastly, well-equipped social infrastructure. Malls, markets, schools, hospitals, everything is available in this locality. I hope you have enjoyed this review. If you have any query on Hadapsar or any other locality in Pune, do write to me on my Twitter handle, which is @Neha Nagpal. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. You can send in your queries in the comment section below this video. But yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. प्लीज मैजिक ब्रिक्स को YouTube पे सब्सक्राइब करिए और नए वीडियोस के लिए बेल आइकन दबाइए।